All right, so welcome back, people. And you don't know anything go already. Yeah, so the Reggae Boyz U20 squad has officially dropped. And we're gonna list the squad name, go on the squad name, are the players on the squad. It's a 21 man squad. The delegation, I'm gonna tell you when the delegation will travel to gain them all player. And for me personally, expectations, I don't know. Me don't know. As yet, me don't know yet. But, me still hopeful. Anyways, big up on yourself, people. Welcome back to MG Sports TV. Thank you very much again for tuning in. Massive respect, people. Massive respect for the support. Really appreciate it. Thoroughly appreciate it. So hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and I'll say no. Here we go. So let's get to the details from now. I'm not gonna waste any time. Let's go to it. Where is it? Details. Because about MG and everything put together. Right. Anyways, all right. So this is the delegation. This is the staff that is going. We have Jerome Waite, head coach, Rudolph Austin, assistant coach, Clive Weatherburn, goalkeeper coach, that's Spider, Tyrese Palmer, Kitman, Karen Clark Lumsden, manager, Dr. O'Shane Grant, team doctor, and Wendell Downswell, technical director / trainer. So that's what the delegations look like. For now, let me jump onto the press release. Let's go. The Jamaica Football Federation send well wishes to the U20 Reggae Boyz ahead of the CONCACAF U20 Championship. The Jamaica Football Federation wishes all the best in the upcoming championship in Mexico later this month. The Reggae Boyz U20 squad will be looking to qualify for the U20 World Cup for the first time since 2001 in Argentina. The young Jamaicans are in Group A of the tournament alongside United States, Costa Rica, and Cuba. Yeah. The two top teams from each group will advance to the quarterfinals of the competition alongside the two best third-place teams. General Secretary of the Jamaica Football Federation, Mr. Dennis Strong, spoke highly of the U20 boys. We are confident in the coaching staff led by Coach Jerome Waite and the players that they will represent our country well in the upcoming CONCACAF U20 Championship. They have demonstrated good performances and results stemming from the preliminaries of the qualifier earlier this year in St. Kitts and Nevis, where they have won all of their games. The team has been training hard and we are looking forward to what lies ahead. The Jamaica will open their campaign on Friday, July 19, that's next week, Friday, 2024, against the United States at the Estadio Miguel Aleman Valdez in Celaya. Anyways, that's the stadium. The delegation is slated to depart the island on July 17th for Mexico. What? Madness. Madness, people. Total madness. All the team are going to depart July 17th and we have match July 19th. No preparation, no acclimatization, none of that. And Mexico, them are going, oh, come on, man. Come on, JFF, man. Do better. No, man. Foolishness, this 100%. The team cannot deploy on July 17th and have match July the 19th. Madness. And worst case scenario against the best team in the group. Madness. You see that? People just read this here. That's how I get the reaction. This reaction is raw. Raw. You may not curse words. Madness. Anyways, let me move on. Total madness. This is not good. This is not good. This is definitely not good enough. This is not good enough. This is totally not good enough, people. Me not lie. Anyways, this is the schedule, people. First match, July 19th versus USA, 9 p.m. I assume that is Jamaican time. Second match, Jamaica versus Costa Rica, July 22nd at 6 p.m. Third match, Jamaica versus Cuba, July 25th at 6 p.m. also. Note, the two top teams in each group plus third place teams will qualify for the quarterfinals of the competition. The four quarterfinal winners will book their tickets to the 2025 U20 World Cup, which will be hosted in Chile in 2025. Jamaica's last appearance in the U20 World Cup was 2001, and that will remain if that is how we're going to approach this one. People, that will remain if we are going to approach this one in this manner. I don't know about no people, I don't lie, but I don't see nothing progressive. I don't see nothing progressive that come from this. If the approach already in the wrong stage, if the approach is already wrong, I don't see what we fix it. Anyways, let's have a look at the team now, people. As you can see on the screen there, let's start off. We have first person we have on the list, goalkeeper. We have Joshua Grant from Red Bulls. We have Alex James, Real Mona. Tawian Lynch, Mount Pleasant FC. Nashada Gibbs, Real Mona. Javin Williams, Reno FC. Nailwa, FC Dallas. Shadika Wizard. And God, I did not know that Shadika was that young. I never knew that he was that young. Brian Burkitt, Dunby Holding. J. Lloyd Smith, Cavalier. Christopher Ainsworth, Cavalier. Evergrange, Deborah FC, Adrian Reed, Cavalier, Ashton Gordon, Atlanta United, Alexander Bignell, Lexus SC, Fabian Reynolds, Wolverhampton FC, Dustin Cohen, Vere United, Oren Watson, Chapelton Maroon, Roshane Small, Portmore United, Mackay Welch, Bala, Leon Oren, Nashada Bolt Barrett, Arnett Garden FC, and Romain Blake, my Bala, Chicago Fire FC. Those are the players. So let me see players who are playing outside of Jamaica. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we have 8 players outside of Jamaica. The rest are locally based. Anyways, I think that covers everything. Let me get back on the rant. I'll go back on the rant. Listen, people, I make this clear, yeah? I talk from now. My expectations, because a competition like this, people, what you find is that you have to win a game, them. I think 6 points can bring you forward. So if we can get a result from Costa Rica and Cuba, that can probably do something. But my problem is the principles. The footballing gods reward hard work and discipline. And at this present moment, even if we work hard, we're not disciplined. Even if we work hard, we're not disciplined. We're not committed. We are not committed. And this is not on the ballers. This has to do with the management. This has to do with the JFF. This is not good. This is totally, utter rubbish. 100% rubbish. We cannot have the boys competing on Friday and them are going to reach on Wednesday. If them arrive on Wednesday, how long it will take them to settle, put things in place? Worst case scenario, we tend to have flight issues. What if the flight delay? What going to do about that? What if we have issues on the day again? What going to do about that? Then secondly, when we will get time to put in one proper training. That none of that now go play where the boys them can get acclimatized. The year team of Mexico, them all drop down, tired. Even though just the other day them play friendly, that right off, them have to go back again. And for a long time period, them break for a long time period. If you go start train again, if you get back in that fitness level. We are putting them off the field. We're setting them off the field. If I'm being honest, we're setting them off the field. That's how I personally feel. We're setting them off the field. That's how I feel. JFF, do better. Do better. This is utter rubbish. Rubbish. Anyways, people, go in the comment section. Tell us what you think in the comment section. I'll see you guys again. Until next time. My hopes drop, I tell you honest. 100% more drop. If you did that 100, I can ever optimistic. If it was at 200, it dropped right down to 50. Never to 50, 30. Anyways, big up on yourself, people. I'll see you guys again. Until next time, big up. Like, share, subscribe. Do the good stuff. We'll see you again, people. Out.